Hey guys, let's start with the next project part. This is the compressor I told you about. I already have some damperness on there. This is the air tank, already have damperness on there too. Got some metal to mount it, got my welder ready. Let's try to mount everything in this area. So the compressor goes here and the air tank, I will show you later, goes up top. Let's start by measuring and cutting the metal. So I got all the metal parts fitted and now we're going to drop in the compressor. So now everything is dropped in. It's a bit tilted to the front, but that's okay because I only have that rear support. Now the pneumatic stuff is missing and then we can make that work. Next going to be the air tank.